Welcome back to the channel. Today we look at DTC Solutions, the fault code lookup database for heavy trucks and equipment. Codes into answers, in seconds. Type in any SPN and FMI combination and get an instant answer. Coverage spans all the major truck brands, from Cummins and Detroit to Paycar and Volvo. Each code comes with a clear description, the likely causes ranked, and repair guidance. Instead of guessing what a code means, you start fixing with a plan. Use it alongside any diagnostic software. Your scan tool reads the codes, DTC Solutions explains them deeply. Together they make every diagnosis faster and more confident. The real win is time. No more digging through forums for what a code means. Consistent, professional information on every lookup means more trucks finished every day. That is DTC Solutions, the code book every diesel shop needs. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagTechPro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.